Resolve Cricut Print Then Cut not cutting properly. Method 1. Check calibration. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, click on the menu icon and select Calibration. Step 2. Click Print Then Cut, select your printer machine and click Print to print a test sheet. Step 3. Wait for the printer to print the test sheet, then place the calibration sheet on a blue light grip mat. Step 4. Click Continue, then select your Cricut machine. Step 5. Load the mat into the machine and press the up and down arrow button or click Go depending on the machine you're using. Step 6. Press the Go button. Cricut will then scan the printout for calibration marking and will start cutting. Step 7. Once done, check the cut to see if it touches the printed line without unloading the mat. Step 8. Then go to your computer and select Yes in the design space, then click Continue. Step 9. Next, the machine will begin the calibration cut along the top and side of the page. Step 10. Once done, determine which number and letter cuts are closest to the center printed lines without unloading the mat. Step 11. In Design Space, click on the top and right drop-down boxes and choose the corresponding number and letter. Step 12. Then click Continue. Step 13. The machine will then make a confirmation cut along the large rectangle. If you're happy with the cut, select Yes and click Continue. Step 14. Now perform a test cut and see if it has improved. Method 2. Check paper. Step 1. Check whether you're using a matte or a glossy paper. Step 2. If you're using glossy paper, grab a matte transparent tape and tape it over the cut sensor marks. Step 3. Scrape the tape using a scraper tool to ensure that there are no air bubbles. Step 4. Now perform a test cut and see if the issue has improved. Method 3. Check print settings. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, ensure that the material is chosen correctly in the Prepare window. Step 2. In the Print Setup screen in Cricut Design Space, make sure that Add Bleed is turned off. Step 3. Then enable Use System dialog. Step 4. When you get to the computer's print pop-up window, save the file as a PDF and open it. Step 5. In the Print Settings window, check the paper size. Step 6. Check the media type and set the quality to best. Step 7. Now perform a test print and see if it has improved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.